What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this video. In today's video I want to bring the Ocean Money platform to your attention. This is a project from the Hydro Whales Mining Club team as well as from the Project 79 team and will basically be a all-in-one crypto banking platform with a wealth management service, its own token and a lot of exciting stuff. In this video I will give you an overview what the platform will offer, how high the potential of the Wave token is, what the utility of the token is, and how you can get Wave token without buying into the pre-sale, which is currently live for all the Hydro Whales Mining Club members as well as all the partner projects. The public pre-sale will start on the 15th, but we will talk about that later in the video in more detail. Let's get started and take a look at the team and about the regulations behind the project, because we have to do with a financial product and that's always important in this case. So as I already said, the team behind Ocean Money is also the team behind the Hydro Whales Mining Club as well as of Project 79. And they basically got 4 more team members here in this project for all the legal stuff and of course also some traders and product officers. And if we jump over to the regulatory compliance paper, we can see that Ocean Money will basically operate in the European Union, in Switzerland and in the UK in the beginning, but will potentially be all over the world in the future. And they already have all the important licenses and authorizations in the mentioned countries before, so in Switzerland, UK and in the EU. So now we want to get into the services Ocean Money will offer. There are basically 3 bigger functions and we want to start with the first one, which is the neobanking. If you have ever heard of Stripe, Revolut or for example N26, those are all neobanking platforms where you can do transactions, have multi-currency accounts and can do transactions all over the world. And this is one service the Ocean Money platform will be offering. They will have these multi-currency accounts, they will have instant transfers, you will be able to pay your bills through the platform, there will be budgeting tools, and they will have a virtual as well as a physical debit card which will launch in the 4th quarter of this year. The second big service which they will be offering is a crypto service. So you will be able to on and off ramp your crypto, you will be able to trade crypto, there will be a charting tool and all the other stuff. They will even have their own crypto wallet and you will be able to do yield farming and staking, especially with the Wave token, which we will talk about in a second. And the third big function, the third big service which the Ocean Money platform will be offering is a wealth management service. This includes, for example, investment opportunities in fractionalized real estate. There will be crypto ETFs, there will be a crypto hedge fund or a Bitcoin mining fund, and they will also offer early stage access in IPOs and ICOs on the platform. And if we take a look on the outlook on the platform roadmap, when the different services will be launching, we can see that the crypto services as well as the money wealth management will launch in September 2023 and the neobanking will start in October 2023. And after all that is launched, there will be the physical as well as the virtual debit cards available in the 4th quarter of this year. Then we of course want to also talk about the Wave token. There will be a fixed supply of 2 billion token. The public sale is currently live and will be running until the 15th of July. They just extended the sale for another 24 hours to give more people the opportunity to jump in. The current price is at 4 cents, and if you want to get in on the public sale because you are not a member of the Hydro Whales Mining Club or other partner projects, you will be able to buy in at a price of 6 cents. So of course the platform currently will just operate in the EU as well as in Switzerland and in the UK, but you can of course take advantage of the token performance, and I will give you some examples how very similar tokens performed in the past. The first example which I wanted to show you is the KuCoin token. And if we take a look on the chart, we can see here that the ICO price was at 25 cents. And remember, we are still in the pre-sale phase of the Wave token. So the ICO price is the launch price. And if we measure that right here, you can see that it basically went from those 25 cents in that initial pump up for a 30x. So it made around 3000%. And if we measure it to the bull run which happened in 2021, we can see that it basically made around a 100x. And the second example, which could be very similar to the Wave token, is the BitGet token, so the native token of the BitGet exchange. And if we take a look on the launch price here, which was around 5 cents and is now sitting at 47 cents, so almost a 10x. And this token never saw a bull run, so the potential is way higher. And I personally think this could also happen to the Wave token in the future, as the bull run is potentially right ahead next year or in 2025. The Wave token, of course, has different incentives. For example, you can stake it or provide liquidity for Wave pairs or other pairs, or you will get rewarded for platform activities. There will also be a buyback mechanism, and you will also be able to use the token on other DeFi platforms to provide liquidity, or for example to use it for lending and borrowing. As in every bigger project, there is of course also a vesting schedule. So for example, if you buy in the pre-sale right now, there is an 8-month vesting, so you will basically get a release of around 9% every month. And if you get in on the public round, there is a vesting period of 3 months where you get around 23% distributed on a monthly basis. So as I already said, the pre-sale of the Wave token is currently live. You just go to the live pre-sale, and the only thing you have to do is to sign up right here. For example, as you can see, I already signed up. I registered my email address and did a KYC process. This is necessary for this platform, and once you did that, you just scroll down and have to have a stable coin, so USDT or USDC on Ethereum, on the Binance Smart Chain or on Polygon, and you can allocate some Wave token for your portfolio. There is a minimum investment of 100 US dollars, and once you bought your Wave token, there are different levels which will save you some fees on the platform and will give you other incentives. For example, as you can see, I bought 25,000 Wave token. That's the equal amount to 1000 USDT. And if we jump over to their Discord, you can see that there are several levels. For example, I am in this level here in Wave Pioneer. I just get 0.75% on the auto investor fees, just 0.5% exchange fees, and my gas fees will be refunded up to 50%. And for example, if you buy in with 10K, you will get a auto investor fee of just 0.25%, and you will get 25 free monthly crypto withdrawals, and you will get refunded up to 100% of your gas fees. And there is of course also a free way to earn some Wave tokens. Therefore, you just have to do these silly quests. The link will be provided as to everything down in the description box. You just have to do those quests. For example, read the white paper, do this daily quest right here, or for example, do a Twitter thread, or yeah, you can take a look on all these quests by yourself. But this is an easy way to get some free tokens as well as to support the Ocean Money project. So the pre-sale for all the Hydro Whales Mining Club members as well as their partner communities is almost over. This video will probably be released when the timer is at 1.5 days. So you might do a quick decision on that if you want to get in or not. One way to figure out if this is something for you might be to watch an AMA with the team. For example, here on Max Cashflow's channel, you can check out the interview with one of the founders of the Ocean Money platform. I will of course provide again all the links down in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. And if you like today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.